Greenland, a vast icy wilderness. This remote and rugged land is one of the most unique places on Earth, where the natural world remains largely untouched by human hands. The sheer scale of its icy expanse is both humbling and awe-inspiring, stretching as far as the eye can see. A land of glaciers and icebergs. These colossal ice formations are constantly shifting and changing, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. The glaciers, some of the largest in the world, slowly carve their way through the mountains, while icebergs, broken off from these glaciers, drift majestically through the frigid waters, the largest island on Earth. Despite its size, Greenland is sparsely populated, with most of its inhabitants living along the coast. The interior of the island is dominated by the Greenland ice sheet, a massive body of ice that covers roughly 80% of the island's surface. This ice sheet is a remnant of the last ice age and holds a wealth of information about our planet's climatic history, a place of breathtaking beauty. The stark contrast between the white ice and the deep blue of the surrounding waters creates a stunning visual spectacle. The ice formations, sculpted by the forces of nature, are like works of art, each one unique and mesmerizing in its own way. Greenland is a land of extremes. The weather here can be harsh and unforgiving, with temperatures plunging well below freezing in the winter. Yet, it is this very harshness that has shaped the land and its inhabitants, creating a unique and resilient ecosystem. It is a place where the sun shines for months on end in the summer. During this time, known as the midnight sun, the sun never sets, bathing the land in a continuous golden light. This phenomenon is a result of Greenland's location within the Arctic Circle and provides a stark contrast to the long, dark winters, and where the winter nights are long and dark. For several months of the year, the sun barely rises above the horizon, plunging the land into a prolonged twilight. This period, known as the polar night, is a time of stillness and quiet, where the only light comes from the stars and the occasional aurora borealis. It is a land of ice and snow. The snow-covered landscape stretches out in all directions, creating a serene and tranquil environment. The silence here is profound, broken only by the occasional crack of ice or the distant call of a bird. A land of silence and solitude. In this remote and isolated place, one can truly appreciate the beauty and power of nature. The vast empty spaces offer a sense of peace and reflection, a reminder of the Earth's raw and untamed beauty. At the heart of Greenland lies the Greenland ice sheet. This massive ice sheet, spanning over 1.7 million square kilometers, is the second largest in the world, only surpassed by Antarctica. It holds a staggering amount of frozen water, enough to raise global sea levels by over 7 meters if it were to melt completely. A vast expanse of ice covering most of the island. The ice sheet is so immense that it influences the global climate, acting as a giant reflector that bounces sunlight back into space, helping to regulate the Earth's temperature. Its sheer size and the harsh conditions it endures make it a unique and vital component of our planet's ecosystem. It is a place of incredible beauty. The ice sheet's surface is a mesmerizing landscape of white and blue, with intricate patterns formed by the wind and weather. The ice crystals sparkle like diamonds under the Arctic sun, creating a breathtaking spectacle that few have the privilege to witness in person. And of great scientific importance, researchers from around the world come to study the ice sheet, seeking to understand its history and predict its future. The data collected here is crucial for climate models and helps scientists to better understand the impacts of global warming. The ice cores extracted from deep within the glacier provide a frozen record of Earth's past climate, offering invaluable insights into how our planet has changed over millennia. The ice sheet is a living, breathing thing. It is constantly moving and changing, with glaciers flowing like slow rivers of ice towards the sea. The crevasses and cracks that form on its surface are a testament to its dynamic nature. As the ice shifts and adjusts to the forces acting upon it, it is constantly moving and changing. The process of carving, where chunks of ice break off from the edge of the glacier and plunge into the ocean, is both a dramatic and vital part of the ice sheet's life cycle. These events not only shape the landscape but also contribute to rising sea levels, making the study of these processes critical for understanding future changes to our coastlines. It is a place of wonder and awe, For those who venture to this remote and inhospitable region, the experience is unforgettable. The vast icy expanse, the silence broken only by the creaking and groaning of the ice, and the sheer scale of the landscape leave a lasting impression. The Greenland ice sheet is not just a frozen wilderness, it is a testament to the power and beauty of nature, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Greenland's glaciers are giants of ice stretching across the vast frozen landscape. These colossal formations are not just frozen water, they are ancient archives of Earth's climatic history, holding secrets that date back thousands of years and time. Some are thousands of years old, with layers of ice that have captured and preserved the atmosphere of bygone eras. Each layer tells a story, a chapter in the Earth's climatic history, revealing periods of warming and cooling, volcanic eruptions, and even the impact of human activity. They are a testament to the power of nature, sculpting the landscape over millennia. These glaciers have carved out valleys, shaped mountains, and influenced the very geography of the regions they inhabit. Their sheer size and presence are a reminder of the Earth's dynamic and ever-changing nature. These glaciers are constantly on the move, albeit at a pace that is almost imperceptible to the human eye. They flow like slow rivers of ice, driven by the relentless force of gravity. This movement is a powerful force, capable of grinding down rock and reshaping entire landscapes. Slowly flowing down to the sea, these glaciers eventually reach the ocean, where they continue their journey. The interaction between the glacier and the sea is a dramatic and awe-inspiring process, as the ice meets the warmer waters and begins to break apart. Where they carve into icebergs, this carving process is both a natural and a spectacular event, as massive chunks of ice break off from the glacier and plunge into the ocean, creating waves and sending ripples through the water. These icebergs then embark on their own journey, drifting with the currents. These icebergs are a sight to behold, with their intricate shapes and stunning blue hues. Each iceberg is unique, sculpted by the elements into forms that can be both beautiful and imposing. They float serenely in the water, a stark contrast to the dynamic and often violent process that created them. Some are as big as mountains, towering above the surface of the sea. These giants of ice are a reminder of the immense power and beauty of nature, and the delicate balance that exists in our planet's ecosystems. As they slowly melt and return to the ocean, they continue to shape the world around them, a testament to the enduring legacy of ice and time. To reach Greenland's glaciers is a journey in itself, a journey by boat or by plane, a journey to a different world. The journey is part of the adventure. It is a chance to experience the raw beauty of the Arctic, to see whales and seals, and to feel the power of nature. Section 5. The sound of silence, the symphony of nature. Standing before a glacier is an awe-inspiring experience. The scale is immense, the silence is deafening, the air is clean and crisp. The only sound is the wind whistling through the ice. It is a place of peace and tranquility. Section 6. The importance of untouched beauty. Greenland's glaciers are a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet. They are a precious resource, and they are under threat from climate change. We must do everything we can to protect these natural wonders for future generations to enjoy. Section 7. A fragile balance, climate change and the Arctic. Climate change is having a profound impact on Greenland's glaciers. The ice is melting at an alarming rate. This is causing sea levels to rise. We must act now to reduce our emissions and to protect our planet from the effects of climate change. Section 8. Guardians of the Arctic. The people of Greenland have a deep respect for nature. They have lived in harmony with the ice for centuries. They are the guardians of the Arctic. We can learn a lot from them about how to live sustainably and how to protect our planet. Section 9. Conclusion, a call to explore and protect. Greenland's glaciers are a treasure. They are a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. We must do everything we can to protect them. Let us explore these natural wonders. Let us learn from them, and let us work together to ensure their survival.